Hey, it's Adelaide with today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase is everyone load the dishwasher. This is a great phrase to start using in a foreign language because often I find that when I'm learning a new language, my kids actually listen better. So we're continuing with this week's theme of cleaning up. If you would like the phrase of the day calendar in the language of your choice, totally DM us for it. If you already have the $35 phrase book, you can follow along in the app in the language that you have. And if not, follow along with me here too. So to get to this phrase, which is everyone load the dishwasher, we're going to be doing the phrase today in French. Okay, so we're going to go to D, and then we're going to head over to dishwasher. Here we are in dishwasher, and we're going to do everyone load the dishwasher. All right, here we go. Oh, wait, hold on real fast. Let me pause it. How it's going to work is the native speaker is going to say it slow, and we'll say it with her. When you're doing a foreign language, you don't need to remember anything first. Just jump in and start talking so you can keep getting better and better. So here we go. Tout. Le monde
remplit
le
lave vaisselle. Tout le monde remplit le lave-vaisselle.
Awesome. So when you're just starting, you can do the phrase one word at a time and then do the full phrase. I'm really curious to do the full phrase. We use Spanish and German in our home, and so I'm going to give it a go on the full one this time. So let's do it one more time together, and we're going to give it a go on the full thing. I'm just like psyching myself out with the last word, which I don't need to be doing. Okay, so here we go. Tout
le
monde
remplit
le
lave
vaisselle.
Tout le monde remplit le lave-vaisselle.
Okay, here I go. Tout le monde remplit le lave-vaisselle. It was okay, but that was my first try. So when you're starting, it's okay how you sound because it takes you a couple of weeks to a couple of months to hear all the sounds being said, and soon it starts to feel really, really easy. So to teach my kids this phrase, I would do it one word at a time starting until that dishwasher word got a little easier for me. And I would use that whenever we go to load the dishwasher. And then it would become part of what we're saying and what we're doing. So that's how you do that. If you're using the phrase, everyone load the dishwasher in your family, be sure to tag us on Instagram at TalkBox.Mom so we can feature you. You'll see us doing it in German and Spanish. Okay, see you there. Bye.